Hey everyone, welcome back for another installment of What Does the Fox Say? I'm your host, Adam Fox. I want to talk a little bit about one very immediate impact of the big ugly bill that we're seeing, and this is the quote-unquote defunding of Planned Parenthood. A provision in the big ugly bill essentially prohibits Planned Parenthood from receiving Medicaid funds. And because of other legal implications, it essentially makes it illegal for Planned Parenthood to see and treat Medicaid patients, even if they were to pay out of pocket or anything like that. So what this is ultimately meaning is 16,000 Coloradans or so are losing access to Planned Parenthood services and important access to reproductive health. And this essentially forced Planned Parenthood to cancel appointments on the 4th of July and over the holiday weekend while people were trying to celebrate with family. They were essentially getting calls from Planned Parenthood saying that they could no longer receive the care that they need because of this bill. And so this is having a huge impact on Planned Parenthood and access to reproductive health services across our state and across the country. It also creates a potential opportunity for individuals to have a little bit of advocacy and support Planned Parenthood, either directly with donations and financially, or if you have private or employer-based insurance and are able to access Planned Parenthood services with your provider network, now is a great time to do that. That's a way that you can support Planned Parenthood as well. So if you need cancer screenings, STI, STD testing, routine gynecological visits, some of those reproductive health procedures that Planned Parenthood can provide, regardless of your gender or whether you identify as male, female, non-binary, Planned Parenthood is a great source for care. And if you're able to access those services with your insurance plan, now's a good time to do that. It supports them. So please consider that. The other thing I want to talk about is because of the big ugly bill, we are anticipating a special legislative session here in Colorado, likely happening sometime in August. Exactly what is going to get covered in that special session is very much up in the air and to be determined. But I think because of the budget challenges that this big ugly bill creates at the state level, it's going to potentially force some really difficult decisions and conversations around who gets covered and who gets care, and what happens with K through 12 education and our state budget as a whole. So we are trying to prepare for that and try to find some potential solutions that will minimize the damage, but we hope that you will engage with us as that picture becomes a little clearer, and we have opportunities for advocacy at the state level to try to protect Coloradans and their health and their health care. So I will be out for the next week, so it'll be a little bit before my next update, but I will be back with you sometime the week of the 21st, and look forward to providing more updates and information then. Thanks.